Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your Feng Shui Guru and Paranormal Expert. Horoscope, Cancer, June 21 to July 22, Friday, July 5, 2024. If you wait or persevere, there are times that these things are needed. Be patient and you will take your reward thereafter. Ang horoscope po natin may kinalaman sa tamang paghihintay o tinatawag na timeliness na papanahon. Dahil na rin, hindi lahat ng bagay ay nangyayari sa isang pitik lamang ng daliri. Maghintay ka at malalasap mo rin ang tagumpay.